Hey gamers, are you looking for a recipe that's so good that it makes your hair grow out, your beard grow out, and makes you gain 10 pounds? Then you're going to love this microwave chicken recipe because it does that before you even start cooking. You'll see. Today I'm going to be microwaving chicken from a raw state into fully cooked and reviewing it for your pleasure. Here we have the chicken. Put pepper on it. Both sides, garlic salt. Too much. The most important part of cooking something in the microwave is putting it in the microwave and cooking it in the microwave. And now we wait. Alright, you can cut it right. As you can see, 15 minutes is slightly too long. My cameraman is having difficulty breathing. Let's dig in. Look how much fused to the paper towel. That's how you know it's ready.
Ugh. So gross.
It looks like it's breaded.
It does look like it's breaded. It's insane. Man, this is so gross.
It was probably through my own fault, considering I cooked it too long, but these are things that we need to learn when we're looking to become a master chef. It's cooked perfectly. I would give this 3 out of 5 salmonellas. Stay tuned for next week where we'll be doing whatever's cheap at the grocery store. Thank you.